Welcome back to the channel. In the garage at the moment we've got this 2016 Kawasaki Z800 and we're just going to remove the rear brake caliper to check and clean the brake pads. A 12mm bolt, and a 14mm bolt, which is unusual. Okay, so this is just a retaining cover. And then loosen off your pin. And then take your bolts out. Notice how the bolts are slightly different to each other. And the pads just sit on one retaining pin, and you'll notice how they'll just fall down. Because they need to sit on that little shoulder there. When you put it back on, it needs to sit on that shoulder. Just pumping the brake slightly to get the piston out a little bit more. Only a fraction. So here are all the components. That bolt seems to have a little bit of thread lock on it. I think it's thread lock. So I'll put a little bit back on that. That seems to have a little bit of grease on it. So I'll put a little bit of grease back on. And the rest of the parts we're just going to clean up. We'll probably put a little bit of copper grease on that. Okay, as you can see there, they didn't take a lot of cleaning, they weren't particularly dirty anyway. So remember now, this is going to sit up on the shoulder. Okay, just going to do these up lightly. pump the brake. Hold the brake down. Move a little bit tighter. Okay, again, I don't know what the torque settings are on these, and they didn't seem to be done up very tight at all, so I'm just going to give them a little snug. Not much. Should I then find out what the torque settings are, I'll do them up properly. There we go, all done. Quite a simple and easy job. If you like that, subscribe to the channel.